Hi, you guys. Welcome to Audrey's reading area on this T-shirt Thursday. This is a Basquiat painting. Basquiat, French painter, the late, forgot his first name. Oh, a blind moment. Jean-Michel Basquiat. This is one of his creations on a shirt. So that is my T-shirt of the day. Well. Thank you guys so much for being here on this wonderful T-shirt Thursday. So don't forget, click that like button. Don't forget, click that share button. And don't forget to go on over to YouTube and smash that subscribe button for me. All right. Alexa, what time is Audrey's reading area? Alexa, what time is Audrey's reading area?
Audrey Reads in her area live at 5 o'clock p.m.
All right, you guys, thanks for being here once again. I have a special book that I'll be reading for you. Nuts Keep Rolling. Nuts Keep Rolling. That's why I have my little display of peanuts right here. Oh, that's all I could find. I'm sorry. I have this book called Nuts Keep Rolling. It's written by Eric Litwin, illustrated by Scott Magoon. So we're going to jump right into this book right now and see what it says. Nuts Keep Rolling. I have not pre-read this, so I will be happily surprised just as you. A muddy and nutty adventure. That's interesting. A muddy and nutty adventure. Let me see if it's one page. Oh, look at that. When you open it up, it's like one page. Nuts Keep Rolling. A muddy and nutty adventure. All right, now let's see what it says. What should you do when you roll into trouble? Keep rolling. Hazel and Wally. Hazelnut, Wally nut, get it? Hazel and Wally were really small. They wanted to be big and tall, so they rolled through sticky mud and goo. The more they rolled, the bigger they grew. And that was the insert, what the insert said. Can you see it right here? The nuts keep rolling. Hazel and Wally were really small. They wanted to be big and tall. Aw. So they rolled through sticky mud and goo. The more they rolled, the bigger they grew. And they sang this song. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. I don't know if that's how they sang it, but keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Maybe they sang it like that, right? But they sang that song to keep rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of cats. Hazel and Wally were smiling until they were the size of cats here. So they were smiling until a pack of dogs came over the hill. Pack of dogs. Oh no! What can they do? Keep rolling. Grr, bark. Roof. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Rolling. Keep rolling. So they kept rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger now. Bigger. Look at that. Now they were the size of big dogs. Hazel and Wally were giggling until the dog catcher came over the hill. Oh no! What can they do? Keep rolling. keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of elephants. They were the size of elephants. Hazel and Wally were laughing until the zookeeper came over the hill. Oh no! Oh no! What can they do? Keep on rolling. They kept rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, 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 keep rolling. They kept rolling. When the dog catcher came to the zookeeper this time came to catch him, came to get him. But they kept rolling. Let's see what happens next. Oh no! It started to rain. The sky turned gray. And the mud and the goo were all washed away. And they became smaller and smaller and smaller. Oh, see? They became smaller. Rain washed them away, washed that stuff away. Now they were little and out there alone, but Hazel and Wally knew how to get home. What can they do? The nut house. The nut house. I'd probably say that was my house when I was little. The house I grew up in. The nut house. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. They kept rolling. Keep rolling. Oh yeah. They rolled to their house. It was cozy and bright. Mama and Papa Nut hugged them so tight. Aw. Mama and Papa Nut. They were missing their kids, right? Their little baby kid, nut kids. And that family was happy, even though they were small, because when you have each other, then you have it all. Aw. The end. Aw. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed this book. I enjoyed reading it to you. I hope you enjoyed listening to it. Don't forget, pick up a book and read on your own. Don't forget to do that. Reading is fundamental. It's fun too. It is absolutely fun. So don't forget, click that like button, click that share button, go on over to YouTube and smash that subscribe button for me. Smash it. I'm trying to get some subscribers. Got a couple new subscribers. I still haven't reached 1,000 yet. I haven't even reached 600, almost at 600. So please just go in and subscribe for me. Shout out to my mama. Shout out to my mama for being here always. Shout out to my girl, Sadie Lewis. Thank you so much for being here. Love you, girl. Love you. Shout out to my cousin Patsy, who's always here with her tribe called Williams. Yes. Thank you guys for always being here and listening to me read fun and exciting books like this. Shout out to whoever else is here watching me read, but I don't see any comments by you, so I can't tell that you're here. But shout out to you anyway. Shout out to all my people that share my videos. For instance, Chandrika, yes. Elide, yes. Sheena G, yes. And Victoria. Now, Sheena G shares it from her page, Ever After, I'm trying to read this. I should probably put on my glasses. Ever After, I can't read it. Well, just look for her. Look for that share. I'll promise you I'll be reading it tomorrow. I'm going to write it a little better so I can read my own handwriting. I know. But thank you so much for being here, you guys. Once again, tomorrow's Friday. I will see you tomorrow Live, Live, live at 5. 5, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Live at 5 tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'll see ya tomorrow. Or I'll read to ya tomorrow. It's only one day away. One day. You go to sleep, you wake up, it's tomorrow. All right, you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Audrey's Reading Area on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button.